So the team today are in Par in St Helens, and basically what we're doing is we're removing a back boiler and installing a full central heating system. So we are removing a back boiler. This is Sean, this is Keith. Good morning.
All right.
Good stuff. Right, so we are removing a back boiler unit. Basically, these back boilers, they sit behind your gas fire. They're really outdated. They're very, very inefficient. And the best thing to do is get rid of these during the summertime. So we are doing a full central heating in here today. And basically, our customer wants floating radiators. So in order to do these floating radiators, we have to chase into the wall, to put pipework into the wall and install what's called a man-throat box. And basically on our first fix, we install the boiler, we install all the pipework to the radiator locations, including these down here, which is done on the man-throat box system. We install a man-throat box, run the cable down, loop it out, fill the system up at the end of the first fix to confirm there's no leaks and to leave the customer with hot water. Okay, so here's our second man-throat box. We're going to have 2 floating radiators downstairs in this property. Basically, the property is currently under refurbishment. All the plaster's coming off the walls and whatnot. And basically our customer's going to go for a full hit back to brick, including gas, electrics, plumbing and heating. That's why he's got us in for plumbing and heating, damp proofing and whatnot. Okay, so the existing back boiler was here, is actually here now. What happens is you have a gas fire at the front, a back boiler at the back, and basically the two separate gas appliances, but they work simultaneously with actually with each other. They're very, very inefficient. They're about 40. The average one's around 40 years old. When you take this designer system out and go to a combination boiler, then basically what will happen is your gas bill will go down considerably. We've seen gas bills go down up to 80% on doing this type of job. Okay, what you find when you have a back boiler or an old system is that it's run on what's called microbore 10mm pipework. Now, this isn't good for a heating system because basically it's like running your car in second gear down the motorway. So we're going to be installing our new boiler here in this location with a horizontal flue out. Okay, we're going to remove all this 10mm pipework because it's supplying the old existing radiators. By removing the old existing pipework, removing the old pump, this is going to make our customer Lee's property really energy efficient. The radiators are going to be roasting hot. He's not going to have no leaks from tanks and tanks inside the loft because they're going to be removed. We all know off previous videos that the water inside these tanks are absolutely filthy. So when you're running your hot water, the water that comes off them is absolutely minging. And that's the truth. We've never seen a clean one yet. So by having a combi boiler, which is going to be installed in here, all new radiators with a 20-year guarantee on, thermostatic valves so you can control the temperature in each room individually, taking away the risk of leaks from the tanks here and the tanks inside the loft, removing all this existing 10mm pipework. Then what that's going to do is reduce your gas bill at least 50 to 80% in doing so. We estimate this work will take the team about 2 to 3 days to rip out the existing system and replace the new. It will also, once this work has been done, so basically my guys will install the boiler, run all the feeds to the locations, take the existing system out, run the pipework to the existing radio locations, and leave the system topped up and pressurised so the customer has hot water when we leave the property. On the second visit, once the customers come in, plastered the walls, painted, put the floors down, we'll come and then and return, install the radiators, give it a flush, and commission the heating system for our customers. So this is us in Par in St Helens, the home of Mr. Gibbons. Hey. Say hello, Mr. Gibbons.
Hey.
And we've got Keith here again. Happy days. So yeah, this is going to be a beautiful installation as always. So see you later, guys. Have a lovely day.